Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, I am going to teach you exercise 6B mathematics class 7 abstract students, and B part of question number 3 is there are two quadrilaterals A, B, C, D and P, Q or S, and both quadrilaterals are similar and we have to find the values of unknown. Students, if these two quadrilaterals are similar, then their corresponding angles will be equal and their corresponding sides will be proportional. And here I want to explain one thing in quadrilateral PQRS and ABCD. This pair of opposite side is parallel, and if these two lines are parallel, then their interior angles will be equal to 180 degree. So angle S plus angle P will be equal to 180 degree, and we will find the value of angle S, and angle S will be equal to angle D. So then we will find the value of X, that will be the value of angle S. Now I will write that in PQRS, angle S plus angle P is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is interior angles of parallel lines. So the interior angles of the parallel lines are equal to 180 degree. These angles are also called allied angle of parallel lines. So at the value of angle P is 100 degree. In place of angle P I will write 100. So angle S plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree, and angle S is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, and the value of angle S is 80 degree. And students, the corresponding angle of angle S is angle D, because ABCD is similar to PQRS. So angle S will be the corresponding angle of angle D. So angle D is equal to angle S, and the value of angle D is X, and the value of angle S is 80 degree. So the value of X is 80 degree. Students, for finding out the value of Y, we will use the same ratio of the corresponding sides, and AD over PS. AD and PS are the proportional side, and CD and RS are the proportional side. So the ratio of both the sides will be equal because both quadrilaterals are similar. Now I will replace the values of AD, PS, CD and RS. And the value of AD is, students, 14 centimeter. So in place of AD I will write 14. The value of PS is Y, that we have to find, is equal to the value of CD is, students, 12, and the value of RS, that is 9. So in place of RS I will write 9. Now students, for finding out the value of Y, we will do BCM. BCM mean by cross multiplication. So Y multiplied by 12 is equal to 9 multiplied by 14. This 12 is multiplying on left side. When I transfer it to other side, it will divide. So Y will become 9 multiplied by 14 over 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, and it will become 21 over 2, and 21 over 2 means, students, 10.5. So the value of Y is 10.5. Students, question number 4 of the same exercise. There are two water bottles that are similar bottles, and we have to find the values of unknown. Students, keep in mind that if these two bottles are similar, then their top of both the bottles, height of both the bottles and base of both the bottles will be in the same ratio. We can say that they are proportional. So students, top of small bottle over top of large bottle will be equal to height of small bottle over height of large bottle, and that will be equal to base of small bottle over base of larger bottle. Now we will replace the values. Keep in mind that the small t means top of small bottle, and capital T means top of large bottle. Clear, students? So in place of small t I will write y, and in place of capital T we will write 3 is equal to small h mean height of small bottle, that is 10, and capital H mean the height of larger bottle, that is x, is equal to bottom of smaller bottle is 5 and bottom of larger bottle is 8, and all these numbers are equal. Now students, first I will select these two numbers, and then their first fraction will be taken equal to 5 over 8. So first I will solve 10 over x is equal to 5 over 8. We do BCM by cross multiplication, and 5 will multiply 2x and 8 will multiply with 10, and the value of x will become x is equal to 8 multiplied by 10 over 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and the value of x will become 16. Now students, I will take y over 3 is equal to 5 over 8. We can take 10 over x as well, but we will put the value of x, that was 16, here, and then we can solve it. But I am going to take y over 3 is equal to 5 over 8, and 3 is dividing on left side. When I transfer it to other side, it will multiply, and y will become 5 multiplied by 3 over 8, and y is equal to 15 over 8. Divide 15 with 8 and we will have, so students, the value of y will become 1.875, and as we have already found that the value of x was 16. So in this way we will find the values of unknown x and y. Students, question number 5. Two similar toy houses are shown, find unknown, and I am going to tell you how to draw these toy houses. First you will draw two parallel lines in this way, and then join them, and take a point in the center, join this point with both the end points of the line, and then from this point draw a line in this way, and according to this length we have to draw a slant line like this, and then join this point to this point, and then again draw a parallel line to this line, and the height of this line and this line must be equal, and then join this to this, and here we have to draw the door. So students, it is larger house, and now I am going to draw the smaller house, but both are similar. Again draw two parallel lines, and then take a point in the middle and join this point with the end point, and then draw this line, and then this way, and then join it, and then draw parallel line, and then join it with this point. And students, here we will draw the door, and now I will put the values of all the things. Students, angle x and angle 100 degree is given. In similar figures, students, keep in mind that corresponding angles are equal, so the value of x will be equal to 100. The breadth of this toy house is 180, the length is y centimeter, and height is 150 centimeter, whereas the height of this small toy house is z, and its breadth is 120 centimeter and its length is 180 centimeter. So first we will write that x is equal to 180 degree. Reason is corresponding angles of similar figures. Corresponding angles of similar figures. So it is the property of similar figures. So angle x is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is corresponding angles of similar figures. Now students, I will write all the sides in the same ratio. In other words, you can say that if these two houses are similar houses, then their sides are proportional or having the same ratio. So length of the large house is over length of smaller house is equal to height of large house over height of small house is equal to breadth of large house over width of small house. Now put the values. Length of the large house is y over, whereas the length of the smaller house is 180 is equal to height of the large house is 150 and height of the smaller house is z is equal to width of large house is 180 and width of smaller house is 120. And now students, we will find the values of unknown. First I will select the last two fractions, and that are 150 over z is equal to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18, and I will write 3 over 2. Now we will do BCM, and BCM mean by cross multiplication mean z will multiply with 3 is equal to 150 multiplied by 2, and 3 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and the value of z will become 150 multiplied by 2 over 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 3 zeros are 0. So the value of z is 100 centimeter. Now students, we can write y over 180 is equal to 150 over z, and in place of z we will write 100. Or you can take y over 180 is equal to 3 over 2, and we will find the value of y. So I will select y over 180 is equal to 2 over 3. Now students, I will select y over 180 is equal to 3 over 2. Here I want to tell you students one thing, that all the three ratios are equal. It means that the central ratio or fraction is equal to this, and this is equal to this, as well as this fraction is equal to this. All the three fractions are equal, so we can write any two of them according to our need. Now we have to find the value of y. So 180 is dividing on left side. When I transfer it to the side, it will multiply, and we will have y is equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by 180. 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 0. Now multiply 3 with 90, 3 zeros are 0, 3 9s are 27, and the value of y is 270 centimeter. Now students, it's enough for today. I pray to Allah Almighty may bless you all the time, and you will have very prosperous life, and God bless you.